This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 303 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cincinnati, Ohio, 45251 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Cincinnati. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.